Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great world. We're going to talk about XRP. I'm also going to talk about Elizabeth Warren and Gary Gensler and the possibility of regulations that are coming and what they might look like. Dirty Elizabeth Warren assisting Gary Gensler with manipulation and stifling digital asset innovation. Get her out. Just one day before Fox exposed her disgraceful action of emailing Gensler questions with suggested answers, and Warren said she's running again. How can any American give her another term? Let me tell you something. If you hold crypto, you do not want to vote for her. She wants me and you out of crypto. Never forget that. Should Senator Warren be investigated for colluding with Gary Gensler ahead of a public congressional hearing? This means they rehearse before going on national television. People deserve the truth, and this is absolute corruption. And out of almost 3,000 votes, 98.7% said she should be investigated. I honestly believe she should just step away from crypto altogether. I don't think she really understands it, and that she should just walk away from it. Many of us were supporters and even donors to Senator Warren's 2012 campaign because we shared her crusade against the revolving door of Wall Street, Washington corruption. Why is she now aligning herself with those same interests to attack crypto? I think it comes down to two things. First off, Gary Gensler, he's only looking out for the big banks, and that's all he cares about. Now, Elizabeth Warren, on the other hand, I believe she wants her name on crypto regulations in the future. I believe that's why she's giving Gary free run over crypto. And I believe the two of them want to get retail investors out of crypto for good. Elizabeth Warren is wrong to call crypto the preferred tool for terrorists. Now, that's all she's always talking about, how bad crypto is. Nobody should ever invest in crypto. She wants to make it where only accredited investors in the future can get involved with crypto. She doesn't believe it's for me or you, period. And she'll always use that in her regulation speeches. Crypto collapse spurs calls for new rules to crack down on abuse. The court clashes vindicate skeptics like Senator Elizabeth Warren and SEC Chair Gary Gensler. So the epic implosion of digital exchange FTX is sparking a torrent of lawsuits and legal threats among crypto financiers, scrambling to salvage what they can from the wreckage. Small investors stand little chance of being made whole. It's always about FTX falling also. The meltdown is giving momentum to efforts in Congress and by federal regulators to create new rules and clamp down on businesses whose practices contributed to massive losses over the last year. But the fall of FTX was not crypto. It was the fault of one person, Sam Bankman-Fried. Crypto industry scared of a strong SEC, says Senator Warren. Now listen, the SEC is not strong. It's corrupt. Maybe that's what she should really be looking into. I like the way they call everyone else crooks and, illegal money laundering schemes, but yet they don't look on the inside. They don't look at themselves. The SEC has brought enforcement actions against celebrity crypto promoters for not disclosing their compensation to the public. It has gone after the employees at exchanges like Coinbase for insider trading. It has charged crypto crooks for defrauding ordinary investors out of millions of dollars. Warren said, adding that the agency is just getting started. She wants to give Gary free reign over crypto. That's what it's all about. SEC Chair Gary Gensler says there are three ways to tell if a crypto project is a scam via OODA loop. How hard is it to spot a crypto scam? According to the SEC Chair Gary Gensler, it's not nearly as difficult as it might seem. Now, this I want to share with you because he actually made some good points here. So, Gensler laid out three telltale signs that something may be a scam. The crypto project can't provide clear documentation regarding how it works or how it plans to deliver on its goals. The project can't demonstrate that it's in regulatory compliance, and the project can't easily explain what it is at all. Gensler also said that offers of high returns are a red flag and warned against projects that are overly compensated or that rush the investor to make a decision, preying on FOMO or the fear of missing out. Honestly, he made some good points there. And anytime something looks too good to be true, most likely it is. On this channel, we get hit with the scam bots all the time. I do what I can to clear them as much as I can. Never click on any of them. And definitely don't talk to any of them either. But anytime you look at a cryptocurrency, the first thing you look at, does this have real world use case? Does it have utility? If it doesn't, get away from it because most likely it's a scam. If you invest in utility driven cryptocurrencies and the future tech of the future, such as XRP, then you're investing in the right way to begin with. You have nothing to worry about. Debates about the regulation of the crypto market are gaining more and more emphasis after statements of discontentment from SEC President Gary Gensler about the current state of the crypto scenario. Some tokens may not fit the definition of a security. These are crypto non-security tokens. These represent a small number, although they may represent a significant portion of the market value. That's what Gary has to say. So there's only a few that are non-security tokens. Maybe he's still trying to talk about Ethereum. I still think Gary knows Ethereum is a security. He's mentioned it in the past. I still believe once Ripple wins, he may look for an easy victory in Ethereum. Retail investors fire Gary Gensler as SEC chairman for obstruction of justice. And you can sign the petition right here on change.org. Look at that. 30,151 signatures. And every single XRP investor should sign this petition. So SEC lawsuit against Ripple may end by summer, Ripple CEO. Now we know that it's coming to a time where we're going to finally get an answer in this case. And I can't wait. I can't wait for the massive green candles to show up. I'm anticipating it. If nothing goes wrong, from now until the judge makes a decision, I believe XRP is prime to do a massive run. And I still believe this judge has to see through that corruption. She's seen the Hinman emails. That's what I always keep in the back of my mind. U.S. SEC accepts LBC token is not a security, renews hopes of Ripple's win in the XRP community. And that whole win for LBC token, that actually gives more proof that Ripple might win this lawsuit. Have retail crypto traders been flushed out of the market? Now, right now, I feel there's a lot of things going on. So the retail trading boom of the past year has shown signs of slowing down. Retail traders who made a big impact on the stock market in the first 2 years of the COVID-19 pandemic are now facing steep losses. According to JP Morgan Chase and Company, retail traders' return are now down around 40% in 2022. The share of such investors in the U.S. equity market volumes has also declined by 40% since the start of 2021. High-flying technology stocks have seen a significant drop in popularity, with the ARK Innovation Exchange Traded Fund down 63% this year. So the stock market doesn't look any better than the crypto market. While this slowdown in the retail trading activity has been observed in trading stock markets, the question remains whether this trend extends to the crypto market. Now, most people that come into crypto, they want to put money in and get rich quick. And when it doesn't work out, most people leave crypto for good. But anybody who has the stomach to stay in crypto will end up making a lot of money in the end. But I believe that it's slowing down for a different reason. I believe it's based on inflation right now. People just don't have that extra money to invest right now. Most people are living off of their credit cards as well. Their savings are disappearing that they had in the bank. There's not that much money in people's pockets thanks to inflation. But most of us got into crypto before inflation even hit. Most of us are still waiting for our investment to take off. which I believe is coming very soon. If Ripple wins that lawsuit within the next couple months, look out, XRP is going to explode in price. Retail investors who pass the coming test and hold the line will reap the rewards of the inevitable institutional push into massive financial adoption. And that's what we're waiting for. Wait until all the FOMO money comes into crypto. Wait until that institutional money comes pouring into crypto. That's what this entire wait was all about. And I believe it's coming in 2023. It might start 2023, but I think it's definitely going to continue upward even into 2024. The whole crypto market cap evaluation will cause a lot of coins to balloon in price in the next run, even meme coins. But don't lose focus on the projects with real world utilities. They'll eventually win it all. And at some point, I do believe we're going to go on a massive utility run. If that happens, no one knows how long that lasts. No one knows how high these cryptocurrencies can go. That's why I always said market cap means nothing to me when you take a look at XRP. It fits a solution for the entire world. Every single country is going to need it at some point. So that's why I always tell you when XRP is going to hit those high prices in the future, it's just a matter of time. I believe we're going to get regulations as well. Hopefully, Elizabeth Warren isn't tied to regulations. Hopefully, Congress reins in Gary Gensler sooner than later. And hopefully, everything works out for us retail investors in the end. Because I'd like to continue investing in crypto even after XRP takes off. New cryptocurrencies will come about in the future. I want to be able to invest in those. I'm sure all of you do as well. But with that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.